Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Jesus over here at Peterson Harley-Davidson, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the benefits of servicing your motorcycle at a licensed Harley-Davidson dealership. Let's start off by knowing that you have the confidence and peace of mind that a certified technician is working on your bike. Our training starts with basic maintenance all the way to dealer service operations and anything in between. We're still required to take classes on any new models or any new updates on anything that comes out Harley-Davidson related. We also keep a record of your service history for your benefit so we can pinpoint potential issues you may have in the future. We've got your back. We have warranty on all of our parts and services, and we'll make sure you're always taken care of correctly. We also only use OEM parts which hold Harley-Davidson standards and quality. In addition to getting any services done at your Harley-Davidson shop, we also do a full checkup and preventative maintenance every visit to ensure your safety and a healthy lifespan for your motorcycle. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Jesus. Feel free to come visit us at your local Harley dealership. Ride safe, guys.